Alright, good.
Yeah. Go up a little bit. I think it's just a lifter. Those 3G lifters will fix it, but go ahead.